Okay, hi, this is János, Revered Audio, and this is a very exciting episode because we'll do an unboxing video. And I have an amazing package. I just cut open the top, but as you see, it came from Poland. It came from Europe, traveled across 2 oceans and a continent to reach me. And now comes the unboxing. So there's more to cut here. And cut here, and maybe now I can take them out. They're super heavy, super duper heavy. Okay, now let's see. There's number 1. And what is inside? What do you think? And if you look at the side, you can see this is Cube Audio's FC8, and it's white color, made in Poland. Yeah, this feels like it's Christmas today. Ah, look at that. Oh, wow. This is fantastic packaging. Look at that. Whoa, beautiful. Oh my, it's really heavy. Very hard to lift with one hand. Wow. So gorgeous. Check it out. Wow, look at that motor. That's serious, very serious. Absolutely beautifully done. Oh my. It looks even more drop dead gorgeous in real life than on the pictures. One. And let's open the second one. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that. It's so amazingly done. Fantastic. Absolutely gorgeous drivers. And look, if you can look, the surround itself does not bulge in front of the basket, so it is in one line, and that's something truly fantastic, because it means that the errors that the surround makes do not count as much into the sound, because normally you have this part, it bulges, that surround bulges in front of the plate, and that creates a frequency anomaly. So now what they have done is that they put it inside the basket. That's brilliant. And I think I will take another episode and talk about the driver as I look at it, and tell you more what I see. This has so much thought that went to its design. Look at the spider. That is called the spider in there. That's the part that holds the cone in place from the bottom. So that holds the bottom of the cone, and this part, the surround, that holds the edge, the top of the cone in place. And this looks like a typical surround, but it isn't. Now that I touch it, I can feel it's a foam material. It's not the usual butyl surround. And Grzegorz was telling me that this is what he just changed in the drivers. This is the new surround. And that's their proprietary spider that they have developed. No other company is using it, and it allows much greater linearity than other spiders. And I would say this is a huge deal because making drivers is pretty much a standard thing. You got basically the same recipe, but not here. They just change so many things. As you see, the basket is totally unusual. It's their proprietary development, the spider day development, and I can't really hold it with one hand. Maybe let's just put it down here. Okay, I can flip it upside down. And so you see, it's really nicely put together. What else can I say now about it? It is just magnificently done. And you see there are nice big windows on the sides, so there are not that many reflections kept in between here. You don't want much acoustic reflections in there. Thank you, Grzegorz, so much for sending these absolutely magnificent drivers, which in real life look even more impressive than on the photos. And I'm really excited. And you all know what I will be doing this weekend. Too bad it's only Monday. So thank you. Please like and subscribe and have an amazing day. Bye bye.